Hello, Newmark. I am Henry. This is NSTV News. Let's be self-starters, trustworthy, respectful, and responsible. 8th grade honor choir auditions for next year will take place on Friday, May 15th and Monday, May 22nd. Honor choir meets during MTSS throughout the school year. If you're interested in being a part of 8th grade honor choir, please stop by the choir room for a short audition. You can come along during MTSS or arrange a time with Mr. Schneider to sing. Come be a part of this talented group of singers. That's all for today, Newmark. Let's have a great day. Let's explore, succeed, and excel.